just got something from the mail, and it says Adidas, not sponsored. So, what's inside? Are these Yeezys? Trash. Trash. I might need this. Trash. Hey guys, so that's the whole video, and so yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. It might be short, but wait. What's this on the floor? Another unboxing. So yeah, let's go see this and go open it. Also, I got this GameStop magazine. I might do a giveaway of this, but this is in your local GameStop. It's for free. I don't know why would you want this, but yeah, maybe it'll be signed by me and I'll send it to you. I don't know. So yeah, let's do it. Try the stapler. I don't want to get from outside. Okay, this doesn't smell good. Okay, I'm gonna use it, and hope you like the setup. Okay, I'm not trying to flex or anything. I'm just trying to keep uploading. Content equals king. That says James Charmander Show, 1,000 subs, subscribers, and Charmander. Because why not? Charmander's a fan favorite. So yeah, I'm gonna do this. Ugh. That's how you do it. Paper. Thanks, YouTube, for paper. Yay! It might be a bit late because it's not winter, but put some paper there. Oh, so we need more paper. Why does YouTube send a lot of paper? Oh yeah, it said here it's from YouTube. It also has my address, so I don't want to put that because, you know, more paper. So what does that look like to you? It looks like the YouTube poop play button. Okay, let me go open this. It's just like this. Oh, I want to hear read the letter. Dear James Charmander Show, you have been a really great YouTuber. When you got your first play button, that was 0 subscribers and 2 likes. We said, this guy sucks! But when you got your 100 subscriber play button, we thought this guy was getting better. But when you hit the big 1K, our minds were blown. So congratulations on 1,000 total video views. I know total video views is a lot. Just I got that years ago. Why don't you just give me? I don't know the math. I have 23,000 total video views. Who give me 23 of them? So that's 1,000. Yeah, 23 of them. I know get more video views. So
Why now? I know it takes a while for YouTube to take them, but that was years ago. That was only 1,000 views. I have 23,000 now. I just opened the play button. James Charmander Show. 1,000 total video views. I'm so disappointed, YouTube.
And it's been a while since I've done another unboxing video. And here are my past play buttons. See, here is the one they're talking about, the 0 subscriber one. Here's a clip of that video. Okay, this is what it says. And then put it back here. This is what I deserve for just being in YouTube. Seriously? What? What makes you think I want this? Just this play button? It's not even a real play button. And the 100 subscriber one, here's a clip of that video. So, let's no. So, yeah, I don't really need no. So, let's get the scissors. So, yeah, I got the scissors. Box up. Oops. Oh, yeah, guys. I'm not doing Charmander now, but I am really gonna unbox this right now. Some Pokemon cards, you care about that. Oh! Is this the diamond play button? For real, guys, this is the diamond play button. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at it. It's the diamond play button. I'll show you my screen. Boom. Oh! But I broke it, as you can see the title. This is trash. Like, the markers are gone. It's been 2 years, so no wonder why. So, and this is also a broken Rubik's Cube. I throwed it at a hater. Yeah. Yeah, throwed it at SS Loser! Okay, no offense, sorry, SS Cuber. Just, I wanted to mention that. So, guys, thank you for 1,000 total video views. Even though YouTube should give me 23 of these! Because that was years ago! Where's my 1,000 subscriber play button? Wait. What was that? Could it be? Charmander here. So yeah, I'm just gonna tell you another shout out. So yeah, there's actually 2 shout outs, and one is called
Salty Savage First. He'll be right here. So
the next shout out is
Mr. Troll 7786. That took a while because he had numbers. Okay. Okay, why am I breathing? So, yeah. Bye.